and welcome back to Totally Car Mad for another one of these. And when I say one of these, I mean a look at the used car market on AutoTrader using our trusty 80 price tracker plugin, which shows us the price changes that a car on AutoTrader has gone through. This Mini here has gone through many price changes, and actually today sits £10 more than it was originally posted at. That's a bit of a curious example, but it does show you where something may have fallen a little bit more considerably. £500 here. Sometimes you get cars that have dropped thousands. There's one that's dropped £1,000. So it's a useful little companion on AutoTrader. Today we're going to look at, can you get a sporty car that is frugal and cheap to run, petrol, under £10,000. Let's go. We can see very quickly the Mini dominates this segment. The good old Mini may look very different from its original ancestor, but the Mini is dominating the quick, cheap to run petrol under 10 grand mark. If we have a quick look at what you get, this is a 2018 manual Euro 6 car, less than 40,000 miles on the clock. And as I like to do, let's look at the scores on the doors. 0 to 60 in 7.9 seconds, top speed of 130 miles an hour. I don't know where you'll get that out of a Mini. Miles per gallon, 61.4, 131 brake horsepower. It's a nippy car, I'll give you that. It's not grease lightning, but they're nippy. They're cheap to run, and they're cute. What do you think of the Mini? Moving along over here, we've got a Polo. Gate crashing the Mini party. It's quite a nice looking Polo, that. Let's have a look at the scores on the Polo doors. 0 to 60 in 7.8 seconds. 60.1 miles per gallon, 148 brake horsepower. Maybe a little bit more sporty. Different styling. 5 doors. Let's have a look at the interior. Very typical of a VW. Nice alternative to the Mini. If we go down, I think we'll find some other German machinery. There's another Polo there, but we may find an Audi as well. The little A1. Good badge, an Audi, hey? Who doesn't love an Audi? Nice. Nice inside. What do you think? Let's have a look at the scores on the doors. 2012, so a bit older than Minis, but only 34,000 miles this car. That's low. Scores on the doors, please, for the Audi A1. 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. 60 miles per gallon. Very similar. These cars are all very similar. Is there anything else other than more Minis and more Minis? Another Polo, more Minis, more Minis, more Minis. I think that tells you all there is to know in this segment in the car market. If you want something that's cheap to run, sporty, under 10 grand, and a petrol, maybe you don't like the smoky diesels, then it's a Mini, possibly a Polo, and out there a bit, an Audi. If you had 10 grand to spend and you wanted a quick, economical, little nippy car, what would be your choice? I think mine would obviously be an orange Mini. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, like and subscribe. Keep driving.